Asha is at a Saturday craft workshop. The kids are gluing sticks into shapes. Triangles have 3 sticks. Hexagons have 6 sticks. They built 15 shapes altogether. Counting all the sticks, there are 75. How many hexagons did the kids build? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Same pretend trick as before. Pretend they are all triangles first, then count the missing sticks. Let us draw the 15 shapes. Each one is either a triangle or a hexagon. We do not yet know which is which. 15 spots for 15 shapes. Same pretend trick. Third time. Let us pretend all 15 shapes are triangles. Each triangle has 3 sticks. So 15 triangles would have 15 times 3 sticks. That is 45 sticks. But the problem says there are 75 sticks. We pretended there were only 45. So we are missing 30 sticks. Where did those 30 extra sticks come from? Each time we swap a triangle for a hexagon, we trade 3 sticks for 6 sticks. That is 3 more sticks per swap. To find 30 more sticks, we swap 10 triangles. So 10 of the 15 shapes are hexagons. The other 5 are triangles. Let us check. 5 triangles with 3 sticks each is 15 sticks. 10 hexagons with 6 sticks each is 60 sticks. 15 plus 60 is 75 sticks. The numbers match. This is the same pretend trick. Third time today. With chickens and rabbits, the gap was 2 legs. With bikes and trikes, the gap was 1 wheel. With triangles and hexagons, the gap is 3 sticks. The trick does not care what you are counting. Pretend everything is one kind. Count what is missing. Divide by the gap. That gives the number to swap. Practice the same trick on bigger numbers, and the bigger numbers stop feeling big. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.